Hello children, good morning and welcome back to your science class. In the last class we have discussed the process of nutrition, in which we have discussed the different steps like ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Today we will see that different organisms, they have different organ for capturing food, also called procuring organs. So you can see in this board that different organisms are there and they have different organ to capture food. You can see in case of amoeba there is false feet, that is called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia just captures the food. When the food comes nearby this organ, immediately it captures and engulfs the food material. In paramecium, dear children, you can see that there is enough number of hair-like projection all around the body of paramecium, and that helps it to swim in water and also to capture food. Now in case of hydra, having tentacles are just like a capturing organs, capture the food particle and satisfy its need. Come to your frog is having the sticky tongue. When any food particle or any smaller insect sit on its tongue, immediately it is stick there, and then after the frog engulf that insect and eat. Now a spider, the next one you can see, dear children, a spider. A spider is, you all are aware that a spider is generally weaves web, and this web it trap its food and then after it utilize food there. Now come to your last one, that is written here, that is bird. Bird is having the special organ, that is beak. Beak is very important to capture the food particle. So in this way you have seen that there are certain examples and the organs, capturing organs present in their body, and these organs are very important for such type of organisms. Okay children, let's start the discussion with teeth in human. You all are aware that teeth is very important in human. It's just like a natural cutter or a gift given by God. There are two different types of teeth. The one is temporary teeth, another one that is permanent teeth. Temporary teeth comes in the mouth of a child up to the age of 2 years, that fall one after another, and then after permanent teeth comes out. Temporary teeth are also called milk teeth. So there are 4 different types of teeth present in human. The first one, that is incisor. The second type of teeth, that is canine. The third, the most important, that is premolar. And the fourth, that is molar teeth. It means that the 4 different varieties of teeth which are present, you can see, dear children, that this is incisor teeth which is present in the front portion of our dental socket. So the total number are 8. 4 are present in each upper and lower jaw, 4 by 4. Like this, canine teeth, there are 4. Canine teeth are present 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. You can see canine teeth are here, just like a pointed part is there, and that pointed part is very important in tearing any food item. Your incisor is responsible for cutting and biting of the food particle. Your canine, which pointed end is there, that is responsible for tearing the food particle, whose total number are 4 in our mouth. 2 are present in upper jaw, 2 are present in lower jaw. Clear? Premolar. You can see the premolar is here. Premolar is very important. That is responsible for crushing and grinding of the food material. Clear? Total number are 8. 4 are present in upper jaw, 4 are present in lower jaw. Like this, the molar, there are total number of molars which are present in our mouth, that is 12. 6 are present in upper jaw, 6 are present in lower jaw. In this way you can see that, and here you can see that molar is there. Actually, dear children, molar, another name is also called wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth. Why it is so called? Because the molar comes or emerges in our gums after the age of 18, and you all are aware that the 18 is the year of maturity. or to coming the age that we are thinking the wisdom comes. So that is, and this is also appears at the age of 18. That is the reason such teeth is called wisdom teeth, but there is no any relationship with this wisdom and the emergence of this teeth in our gums. Clear? So we have seen that the four different type of teeth we have. The first, incisor, canine, premolar and molar. These two, premolar and molar, are responsible for crushing and grinding of food particle. The first one, that is cutting and biting, and this one for tearing. So you have seen the four different types of teeth, and very important for our mouth. Okay children, let's see the structure of human tooth. Tooth is, you can see that tooth is very, the picture of tooth is given here. You can easily see that we can classify the entire tooth into three important portions. First, you can see crown. Crown is the uppermost part of the tooth. It is a visible part of our tooth. Clear? The second one, that is root. Actually, root is embedded into the gums, and it's very important. Why? Because if root is not in healthy position, our tooth will not able to survive. And the third portion you can see, that is neck. Neck is just connect crown and root. So you can see the three important part of our tooth. The first one is crown, the uppermost part, uppermost layer. The second, you can see the root, that is down portion, and the third, neck, that connects crown and root. You can see, dear children, that other part of our tooth. First one, you can see the enamel. Enamel is a very important, hardest substance of our body, harder than bone. It is just present on the upper layer of crown. Clear? And actually enamel is just like a calcium salt. It is chemical formula of enamel is calcium phosphate, a very hardest substance. Just after the enamel, we have dentine. It is also very hard, just like a bone. After that, you can see the most important part of our tooth is pulp area. Actually, pulp area, we have blood vessels and nerves. We have any problem to toothache if our pulp area is get damaged, because it contains, you can see easily that nerves and blood vessels are present. So if any damage happens to nerve or blood vessel, then we are feeling toothache. Clear? So we should be very careful toward our tooth, because it is only the gift given by God, or you can say nature, and just you go. Okay children, now we will discuss the dental hygiene, means how to clean your teeth. This is very important gift given by nature to all of us, and it is our prime duty to give a proper attention and care to teeth. Clear? So have you seen, the children, the formation of yellowish layer on your teeth if you will not clean your teeth properly? Suppose you have eaten certain sweet material, ice cream, chocolates, and if you are not cleaning your teeth properly, there will be formation of yellowish layer, that is called dental plaque. This dental plaque is very dangerous, means that it dissolves the enamel, that is the hardest substance of our body, and makes a cavity in it. So we should take care of our teeth. Actually, we should follow certain things, that if you have any toothache or any problem in our teeth, we should visit to dentist. We should never drink cold drinks, because it is very dangerous for our teeth. We should avoid eating nuts or some hard material. Clear? So this way, dear children, we should try to look after our teeth, and because teeth is very important for all of us. So in this way, what we have discussed today, try to learn, try to revise, and dear children, if you have any doubt, you can ask, you can message, and try to enhance your learning capacity. Okay dear children, thank you to all of you.